Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another beautiful sunrise. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to read your questions in the comment section. If you have any, let me know down below. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Meta down 1. Pocket down 3.8, Uni alts dropping a bit 2.9, Meta down 1.8, Doge was 1.2, MCRT 0.5, 0.0000888, Bitcoin 59,360. I'm going to be buying some more alts here, but you have to do your own due diligence, everyone. And I seed invest or own a lot of these tokens. Big cup and handle on Bitcoin still on the weekly. We're about to finish the weekly candle in 1 hour and 20 minutes. This weekly candle here. And it looks like it's a reversal doji. And since we've been trending down, even though Bitcoin's been at 60k, 59k, 73k, 55k, it's still been trending down. So this could be a reversal to start heading up, actually. Volume quite big this week. Stochastic turning up, finishing 1 hour and 20 minutes. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy in 2023 at 20k. Still a blue buy. You get it in the master course. Bitcoin Indicator Bot didn't yet fire a buy. Weekly stochastic heading up, and the weekly volume again finishing with a big week of buying volume. Inverse head and shoulders looks like here, or a W formation. We also have the second to third impulse. Stochastic though on the daily starting to become overbought already, which is not good without much moving up. Slight bull flag here though. Pole and flag forming here, a smaller bull flag on the small time frame. I think second to third impulse, I would still keep that 56k trade as my open, 55k as the stop loss on this trade. This trade is 42 risk to reward. Opening the trade at 56, stop loss 55,200, risk to is 829 to make 35,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage will be 350,000. And then the safer trade is down here at 49k, risking 995, stop loss at 48k, 995 to make 42,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. Those are the two trades I'll take. Let's go into the 4 hourly. Looks like a slight little bull flag, but it can easily just wick down on some really bad news like a war escalation or something. So trying to catch it at 56 would be better than opening it now, but it does look like a little mini bull flag is taking effect. I would still try to take it from 56 though for less risk. Now I'm going to show you my $500,000 account. Jumping into my $500,000 account. If you want to trade the same, underneath the link you get Bybit. You can sign up. You get a 60,000 bonus if you meet that link. It's the best exchange for trading, lowest fees, lowest liquidation spreads. Take the crypto master course to learn all this. If you've been losing money, if you've been crying in the markets, you'll learn a lot in that course. And then join us in the Telegram. My Bybit right now is sitting at 577,956. This month's been a roller coaster. 611, 575, 595, down to 530, back to 612, down to 577, back to 598, down to 564, and now we're sitting back at 577. 2 days ago 564, now back 577. In here, my Bitcoin trade 9,700. Yesterday it pumped to 60,000 again. It was around $12,000 in profit, now 9,600. I'm still paying very little fees. Funding fee is nearly negative. So I'm almost sometimes getting paid to keep this $316,000 trade open, which is interesting. Ethereum, I've got, this is my asset breakdown. Ethereum 3.8%, USDT 28%, Bitcoin 29%, MCRT 13%, Uniswap 13%, Doge 8%. So I'm going to do Uniswap. MCRT I've been buying a lot and I'm going to keep accumulating. But again, you have to do your own due diligence, everyone, and consult your brokers. I'm a seed investor in it. Uniswap, let's go on. I always do trades, like set up trades on the weekly. So again, best point to open is at $5.30 if there's some big sell-off, or $6.20. But $5.30 is the biggest safer area for spot positions. Oversold on the weekly, heading up on the daily, but it does look a little like a bear flag on Uniswap, unfortunately. But on the bigger pattern, we did get a bounce off this support. It's forming something like this. Builds pressure and breaks out, but it can get a dump. Just keep aware, it could pull back to $4.30 is possible. $5.50 and $4, would be strong support. $3.90 and $5.50, and it spiked down all the way on that big sell-off on a while ago when we had that big panic sell. It went down to $4.70, so it is very possible that it comes down there. Let's read some of your comments. Gold hitting all-time highs. James, please do a giveaway here on YouTube. Okay, I'll set one up. This video is true inspiration. I'm loving every moment of it. Life is an adventure. Embrace every twist and turn. Much love, James. Can you please do Tesla? Means a lot. Will do. I really love you, James. Please, can you? Thank you, Daniel. I really love you, James. Ayub, can you put your lessons less price for people that follow you? And the team will do some. I'll give some giveaways. Thank you, James. Hey, always watching your videos, still on my way to making millions. Can you please have a look at Beam? Thanks for sharing your knowledge on how to make money. Thanks if you check Beam for me. Thank you, Pregan. James, so okay, let's quickly do Beam and Tesla. I don't know what Beam is. I think it's the Beam, BEAM. I think it's Coinbase's token. I'm pretty sure it's Coinbase's token. Beam USDT, but let's check. I'm not sure. I haven't seen Beam before. First thing I see, major support before the bull. It launched in 2023 during the bull market, everyone. And it launched crazy. Launched like some massive valuation, then spiked down 0.02, reached all the way to 0.04. So from the bottom to the top, it was a ride from October 2023. It was a 1,800% ride, and then it almost fully retraced. I'm like, wow. So we've got one major support here at 0.01, and it will attack it again, everyone, most likely. Just keep that in mind. On new tokens like this, if the sell-offs and the unlocks get worse, it's easily going to retrace here. So just be cautious in that. So these are my two buy areas. And there's also another. These are the support lines on Beam. And usually you want to try and pick it up on support lines. You don't want to go long now. It's better to pick it up on low support lines. And because this token is a new one and had such a strong pump and then dump, it easily can come back to 0.01. Okay, let's do Tesla. I hold a lot of Tesla. And I want to do Doge. Uni, I could have sold some, but not really necessary. Tesla has got this on the weekly. Massive symmetrical triangle. Here you can see huge symmetrical triangle that builds pressure, and breaks out, that usually to the base of the triangle. So my target for Tesla on this potential breakout is 578, and it looks like it's getting ready to go, everyone. Stochastic turning up on the weekly. Crypto Guru bot is firing a buy. Bitcoin indicator bot. It works on these also. Fired a sell before the drop and then a buy. It didn't fire a buy yet. I wouldn't use these indicators. I would use these, like I would use them, but the main thing is this larger overall pattern on Tesla. Any other questions? What do you think about Wormhole? I don't know about it. Buy Shiba and Doge. Do you own due diligence, everyone? Doge I like, Shiba I don't like. I was thinking Bitcoin was going to dump. However, since gold went up and S&P and is good, it's hard to see if it's dumping right now. True, Ray. You are great, James. Uni looks good. How many dogs do you have? 4 or 5. All dogs. Thank you for the daily early morning dose of crypto. You're welcome. James, loved your video. May I ask you, what do you think about Maker? Do you think it's a gem? James is a castaway crypto boss. Maker DAO was a big project in crypto. Then they have some problems, but they are a still big company and they have a lot of funds. So quite a good one. Let's check out Doge, because right now I'm holding, how much am I holding of Doge? I'm holding 37 Doge. I'm holding 134k USD, 142k in Bitcoin, 62k in MCRT, Uniswap 58k, Doge 38k. I'm holding 38,000 in Doge. Uniswap I could reduce because it does look like it could have a little bit of a sell-off, and put orders at $4. I have 68,000 of it. But if it pumps right now with the ETFs, that's the question. Let's check out Uniswap again. $6.20. Off that support, it looks like it could come out here, but if it does pull back, biggest support would be here. We're at a very close support. We're at a very strong support at $5.40, so no need to sell in my opinion. I'll leave it at that, everyone. These questions, and join us in the Telegram. There's 145 on you online, sharing charts, sharing ideas, sharing the funding fees, Bitcoin versus the balance of Bitcoin. Everyone check out the Bitcoin price. Look at the balance of Bitcoin on exchanges, dropping to all-time low balance of Bitcoin on exchanges while the price is sitting near all-time highs. Very interesting. So this one here is the balance, this green line, and you can see the balance is evaporating on exchanges. Thank you for sharing that. Binance Bitcoin USDT liquidity, you can just see in the Telegram, you can see all this info. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope my video has helped. I hope you learned a lot. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And in my opinion, it looks quite bullish, actually. Everything looking quite bullish, but I'm going to, right now I'm already in my positions. If you're not in positions, I would put buy orders on strong supports ladder down. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.